You guys, with this Trubbish, he is about to cause a lot of trouble. Venoshock. Oh, he looks like, look at him. He's exhausted. So once this person connects with you, it's going to be a little like toxic. Basically, he's going to be like venom to your soul, like attached at the hip, just like how the position she was in. You see, I couldn't make this up. Electrode orb collector. See, he's going to collect your auric field, your orb, and this represents his excitement for you. I'm seeing massive ball sack and a well-endowed guy on complete brick. It's literally like an avalanche. This person with that hospital band, be careful. It could be that one time, like, and then boom, a child. So enjoy, but be smart.